Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, August 27th. The overnight trade's kind of mixed. We have the wheat market up 1 to 2 cents, corn's unchanged, maybe down a penny, beans are up 4, meal market's up around $2, and the soybean oil market's up around 5 points. Big news of yesterday was the demise of the September bean and meal contracts. During the session, there was a lot of reports of basis levels starting to crap on out, and the futures market, which had been on a big rally, started to break as a result of the basis levels weakening. It was more so for the beans than for the meal. The meal market in the September contracts getting a little bit of a reprieve in the overnight session, but the beans in the September contract were a little bit on the defensive again. So we had the basis levels starting to work lower. We are getting our way closer and closer to harvest. There were reports of Mississippi and Louisiana starting to harvest their beans and coming out with very good yields. We continue with the good weather, and we continue to have no frost in the forecast. So as we work our way forward, more and more storylines are going to be coming as far as corn and beans go. Harvest, good yields, so on and so forth, unless that changes. And we'll be probably a little bit problematic after the 3-day holiday if we continue on a very, very wet pattern as far as trying to get beans, particularly out of the Delta, because these beans are needed. At one time what we saw were those strong basis levels. So that's one storyline that's been going on. The other storyline is we're coming up to first notice day, so that also may have had more of an influence in the marketplace than some of the basis level weakness. We saw a big liquidation in the September contracts across the whole board: wheat, corn, beans, meal, and oil. Once again, that'll be coming out on Friday. We don't have any beans or meal registered for delivery at this point in time. 144 wheat, 7 corn, and then a little bit over 5,000 soybean oil. So at this stage of the game, deliveries are expected to be light on Friday. So once again, a little bit of a reprieve in the overnight trade. Harvest is coming, good yields, and we also have first notice day as far as a recap for news today. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.